Hamlet? Hamlet? You know you're in trouble. Don't play cute now. You know what you've done. You are in trouble and you know it. You're not supposed to eat the shoes. You're really not supposed to eat them. They're my shoes, buddy. What are you doing? I'm showering. What are you doing? Hi. Screaming. Why do you consistently jump into the shower while I'm washing my hair and so I can't see you to catch you and so you hit the floor in the big puddle and yet you're okay with it? Hamlet! Thin ice, buddy. Thin ice. I made a grave mistake opening this because now I have this seagull who keeps trying to eat it when he can't have any because I already gave him his own piece. But see, no, get off. Hamlet, no. What are you doing? Hi. Well, hi. Hamlet, you know you're not allowed in here. This is naughty. You're not allowed in here without express permission from Dad. Step up. You're being naughty. I'm taking you out. You're being naughty. Yes, you are. You're being so naughty. No, don't get in my face. So if I just yell at the camera a little bit, Hamlet thinks I'm angry about something and he will start going off too. And I don't know why exactly he does that, but he thinks that he's joining in on the fight. And I heckin' love it. It's just the best kind of support that anyone needs when they're having a rant, you know? Don't be mad at me. I have to go. I have to go. I have a date. Yep. I do. Who's that? What doing? Hi. Hi. Man, you just don't want to touch him, but you're like, oh. It's you. It's you.